Hi all, welcome to the Data Monk, where we bridge the gap between the students and their jobs. This video is a part of the long series where we cover the interview questions so that you can be confident in your interview and ace there. So, for today's video, the question is, write a Python program for reversing a list in Python. So, for writing a program, we can go about with three approaches. In the first approach, with the inbuilt function that is named as reversed. This function does not, as its name suggests, reverse the list or reverse give us a new list that is in reverse form, but this function gives us a iterator which can which can iterate through the list in the reverse order. Let's write the program for the first approach, then we will discuss the later approaches. Okay, so we are on my Jupyter notebook. So first let us write the driver code in which we will have initialize the list and then call the list, call the function where we will reverse the list. So let's initialize the list first. Let's name the list as list, and the values inside the list will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. After this, let's call the use print statement in which we will call the reverse function inside the print statement, reverse list. You have to send the list as parameter to the function. Now let us take another code box where we will write our first approach. For that we have to define the function. So let's define the function def reverse and accept the list in a variable. Let's use the same variable list. It's the same variable name, but this will be a new variable will be created here. So inside this program we have to write a simple return statement. To make it very short, let's write return. In return we will have a list. So as I already mentioned, the reversed function will give us an iterator that can be used to go through the list in the reverse order. So let us first give this the parameter list, and let's try to run this program. So as you can see, after we execute this function, we get the output as 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, which is the expected output because reverse of 10 to 15 would be 15 to 10. Now let us write the second approach in which we are going to use the reverse function. In this reverse function, see, we have used reversed function before, and now we are going to use this reverse function. In this function, the original list is reversed and the original list is saved as the reverse list. So let us write the code for it. Define let's take this main part again, and let's define the function. Define rse reverse mylist. Inside this function we have to just call the function list dot mylist dot reverse. After this we have to return the list. Okay, so we got an error. Let's check for what is the mistake. And if you observe keenly, the reverse is a function and we mentioned bracket now, and let us run here, and that is the right answer. That is the expected answer we should get. 15, 14, 13 is the reverse list. Let us take another code box to write our third approach in which we are going to use list slicing. For list slicing, we create a new copy of the existing list. This will use more memory, but the existing list will still, we will still have the original list as well as a reverse list. So let's first define the function def reverse list. We need the main driver code first. Let's copy that driver code here, because in the driver code we are initializing the list. That's why we need the driver code again and again. inside this function now we have to write new list is equal to list of from start to end. So we will write nothing here, but in the negative one, like by -1, which is from right to left one step at a time. When there is nothing, it is by default +1, which is from left to right, and when it is -1, it is from right to left one step at a time. And after this we have to just return this new list form. So let's return new list. If we execute, we are getting an error. Type okay, so the error can be solved like this, my list. And after we run this program, you can see that we have achieved the required output, which is 15 to 10, which is the reverse list of this original list, that is 10 to 15. That is how we solve the question of write a Python program to reverse a list. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Data Monk. For more such videos, check out our channel. There's a lot of content for you for making your interviews easier. Thank you for watching.